This is how I created my ADB Telegram message sender script. I started by importing the required Python modules because I needed OS so I could run shell commands from Python, specifically ADB commands, and time to manage delays between each interaction, giving my phone time to react. Number 2, I created a function to send ADB commands directly to my phone. This function takes any string I give it and runs it as an ADB command, which means I can simulate taps, text inputs, and app launches on my phone remotely from my computer. I made a function to type messages instantly, including handling spaces. ADB doesn't handle spaces well in input text, so I replaced them with %s, which ADB interprets as a space. This way, I can type full messages and usernames without it breaking. I loaded all usernames from a text file. This function reads each line from username.txt, one username per line, and returns a clean list, ignoring any blank lines. I remove the first username after each message is sent. After messaging a user, I didn't want to message them again. This function updates the file by deleting the first line, the username I just used. I then loaded the message from a separate file. Instead of hard-coding the message in Python, I stored it in message.txt. This lets me change the message anytime without touching the code. Then I verified that a message exists before continuing. If the message file is empty or missing, the script exits cleanly to avoid doing anything unnecessary. I then opened the Telegram app on my phone using ADB. This launches Telegram on my phone using the monkey tool. I added a 10-second delay to give the app enough time to open and be ready. I looped through each username in the list. I used a while loop to keep going until every username has been messaged. If the file is empty, it exits the loop. I typed the username into the search box. Here, I used the type text function to input the username. Then I paused again to let the search results load. I tapped the first search result. This simulates a tap on the top search result. Again, using screen coordinates I manually found. It opens the chat with that user. Then I typed and sent the message. Once the chat is open, I waited 3 seconds, typed the message, waited again, and then simulated a tap on the send button. I removed the messaged user and waited before the next one. This clears the username from the list, then pauses for 10 seconds before going to the next one. That delay helps avoid overwhelming Telegram or looking like a bot. When everything is done, I show a success message in Python. Simple confirmation that the entire list has been processed and all messages are sent. And that's how I built an automated Telegram messaging system using Python and ADB. It reads usernames, types messages instantly, and sends them out, all hands-free. Whether you're handling outreach or just experimenting, this script gets the job done. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, or comment.